As dawn's flickering light unveiled the spark of human innovation, the primal force of engineering awaited its mastery. Imagine a still, silent world devoid of the conveniences that electrical and electronic engineering have interwoven into our existence. This seems nearly impossible. From the rhythmic pulse of power grids to the complex operations of microelectronic devices, engineering is the unseen guide of our modern lives. It illuminates our homes, empowers our machines, and conveys our voices across oceans. Our journey begins with the possibility of a world stripped of this cornerstone of progress. Let's trace the unyielding wheel of innovation, and as we step into the circuitry theater, appreciate the silent symphonies of electrons, orchestrating our lives in a language of engineering unseen. This is our overture, an introduction to a grander narrative of human triumph, taking us from stark hypotheticals to the vibrant truths that tie our world together. Stay with us as we chart the path of innovation and answer our most compelling electrical enigmas. Moving from the grand stage to the intimate dance of electrons, we witness a choreography governed by fundamental yet unseen rules. Through the lens of circuit theory, we decode the map dictating electricity's path, a blueprint vital from our bedrooms to the vastness of space. Ohm's law emerges as our trusty companion, delineating the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance. Imagine a busy highway, managed wisely to avoid congestion. Together with Kirchhoff's laws, which ensure the balance of energy and charge, we navigate through complex circuits, from resistors modulating flow to capacitors and inductors storing charge. These building blocks forge diverse functionalities in electronic realms. Our narrative progresses from raw theory to practical applications, showcasing how circuit theory underpins contemporary electronics. Now, let's delve into how these fundamental components breathe life into the gadgets fundamental to our every action and experience. Electricity thrums as the heartbeat of technology, and signal processing is its articulate tongue, translating electron whispers into a concert of data. This segment of our exploration uncovers the tapestry of communication, the debate of analog and digital signals, their supreme importance in data conveyance. The Fourier transform emerges as an orchestrator, turning chaotic signals into pure tones, integral for interpreting amplitude and phase. Moreover, the nuances of filter design refine our quest, removing noise to preserve signal integrity. In the signal processing domain, we aim to not only grasp these electrical murmurs, but also control them. Microelectronics empower us in this quest, giving us dominion over these tiny carriers of information. Stay with us as we delve deeper into microelectronics, the gem cutters of signals that drive our technologically rich world. Semiconductors and integrated circuits are the titanic forces behind today's digital advancements, nestled within the diminutive confines of silicon chips. They string together the vast array of devices we rely on, making the once impossible now trivial. The semiconductor is the linchpin, directing electrical currents with extraordinary finesse. As we compress the immense into the infinitesimal, silicon becomes a canvas for human expression. It's here where phones, computers, and sentient machines take form. This transformation is not just manufacturing prowess, but alchemy of microchip magic. Our voyage now carries us beyond the micro realm to witness the power systems that fuel our ambitions. Join us as we cast a lens on these robust frameworks, the power sources and grids that bolster our charge towards a future abuzz with possibility. Against the microcosmic revolution of microelectronics, the realm of power systems presents the vast tableau powering our aspirations. These silent yet dynamic systems weave through our bustling cities and quiet hamlets alike. The generation of electricity, a narrative spun by turbines actuated by natural forces, paints the ingenuity of civilization. It's within the grid's networked ballet that the true spectacle lies, ensuring resilience against both the tangible and metaphorical storms. Our story crescendos as renewable energies infuse this legacy system with sustainable aspirations, illustrating that progress and planetary stewardship need not be adversaries. As the chapter of this electrifying narrative concludes, reflect on the systems powering not only our devices, but our entire society, the guardians of progress, inspiring our dreams, and fueling the fire of our collective future.